Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Understanding Concepts. In today's session, we will be discussing about the binary arithmetics. In the binary arithmetic, we are having different four operations, that is a binary addition, binary subtraction, binary multiplication, and binary division. And in today's session, we will be specifically talking about the binary addition. So before starting the doing the addition, we have to understand some of the very basic rules of the addition. So suppose the very first rule is, suppose we are having two numbers a and b and we have to add those two numbers. So suppose the numbers are number a that we have to add to the number b. We are having suppose two numbers and the addition or the sum of the two numbers will be, we are denoted as s, that is a sum. So if we are going to consider these two yes, so suppose the very first number we have to add is, the rule is, suppose we are having a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 0, the two zeros to be added, then definitely the sum will be 0 plus 0 will be equal to 0. Now suppose we have to add 0 with 1, then the sum will be 1. And if we are having 1 and 0 to be added, the sum will be 1. And with one more case, that if we are having 1 1, then the 1 plus 1, that is always equal to 2 in the decimal. So in the binary, 1 1 will be equal to 1 0, because we know in the binary number system the 2 is written as 1 0. So definitely we will be taking 0 in the sum, and that 1 from the 1 0 will be carried, because 1 plus 1 is 1 0, 0 will be in the sum and 1 will be in the carry. So we can make here one more column for the carry like this. That means when we are going to have 0 plus 0, the sum is 0, definitely there will be no carry. And if we are having 0 plus 1, sum is 1 and there will be no carry, carry is 0. And if we are having 1 plus 0, that means sum will be 1, then there will be no carry, carry is 0. And when we are going to add 1 and 1 in the binary number system, so 1 plus 1 will be 1 0, and sum will be taken 0 and the 1 will be in the carry. Now let's start with some of the examples for the addition. Suppose we are having a binary number, that is, the first example I am going to have is, I am having a number 1 0 0 1. This is a binary number I am taking, and the second binary number is suppose 0 0 1 0, and we have to add these two numbers. Then you can here see is 1 plus 0. We will be doing the this binary addition as we were doing in the decimal, definitely, and we will be starting from the very right hand side. So 1 plus 0, according to the table you can see here 1 plus 0 is sum is 1, so definitely I will be writing here 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Here 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, and this is the addition. You can also recheck the answer by converting this binary number, all these binary numbers into the decimal. As you can see, the very first number, that is 1001, you know, when you will be converting it into the decimal, it comes out to be 9. And this number 0010, that is 2. So the addition must be equal to 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. Now you can convert this 1011. You can see this is 1011 is 11. So coming to the next second example. Now I am taking the example. Suppose again I am having a number 1001. This is again 9, and I am going to add 0101, that is 5 in it. So now I have to add these numbers. 1 plus 1 is, here you can see 1 plus 1 is, sum is 0 and carry is 1. Then definitely we will be taking it as like you can write it as 1 plus 1 is 0. Yes, 1 plus 1 is 0 and 1 is carry. I will be writing here the carry. Now you have to add this carry with these numbers also. 1 plus 0 is 1. In that 1 I will be adding this 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1, and then add this 0 to that 1, that will be equal to 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. So you can also recheck the numbers. As you can see, this is 1001 is 9. This is 0101. This is 5. Then the result must be equal to 14. And you can convert this number 1110. This is definitely when you will be converting this binary number into decimal number. This is 14. So taking one more example. Suppose we are having a number 1110, and we have to add that number into the 0101. Like so, now this 1110 is 14, and this 0101 is, yes, 5. We have to add these numbers. Definitely the result must be equal to 9. So we will be adding this, then after that we will check. So now the number 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 10. That means 0 will be in the sum and 1 will be the carry. Now this 1 plus 1 is 10. Again plus 0 is 10. That means this 0 will be here and this 1 will be. Now you can recheck the answer 10011. This is definitely 19 if you are going to convert it into the decimal. Now taking one more example. Suppose we are going to add 3 numbers. 3 numbers means we are having number like 1010. After that, the second number is suppose 1111, and the third number is 1001. Now we have 3 numbers. Then the same process we are going to follow. The 0 plus 1 is 1, and again that 1 will be added into the third one, that is 1 plus 1 is 10. So now the thing is, if you are not getting the things properly, I will be here telling you that this 1 plus 0, sorry, 0 plus 1, this 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Now in this result 1, I am going to add this third one, that is equal to 10. Now this 0 will be go in the sum and this 1 will be the carry. So this is the 0 and here it will be the carry. Now I am going to add these all 4 numbers. 1 plus 1 is, here you can see 1 plus 1 is 10. Again add this one, that will be here, like that will be 0 plus 1 is 1 and this one over here. Again you are having 1 1 now add this 0, then definitely you will be having this 1 and this 1. So you are here getting 1 in the sum and 1 in the carry. Now you can add these numbers. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 0 is 10. You will be writing 0 in the sum and 1 in the carry. Again 1 plus 1 is 10. I will be here doing in the rough here. This is 1 plus 1. You can write it as this. 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. Now what you have to add this 1 now. That will be equal to 1. 0 plus 1 is 1 and this 1 is here. Now one more you have to add here, 1. So that will be equal to 1 plus 1 is 0. 1 is here, carry 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. That means you are here having 1, 0, 0. So you will be here writing 0, 0, 1, right? So if we want to check these numbers, so the addition, if you want to recheck the addition basically, then you can check like 1, 0, 1, 0. This is 10. 1, 1, 1, 1. You know it's 15. And the next 1, 0, 0, 1. This is 9. So in the decimal, if you are going to add this, definitely this is going to 10 plus 15 is 25 plus 9, 34. And when you will be going to convert this number 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 into the binary, definitely this is 34. So this is how you are going to perform the binary addition. And in the next videos I will be discussing about the binary subtraction, binary multiplication, and binary division also. So just stay tuned with us, and if you have not still subscribed my channel, do subscribe. Thank you.